In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see trade history, Thinkorswim. Whether you're tracking your performance, double-checking fills, or reviewing what happened on a busy trading day, knowing exactly where to find your past activity is essential. I'll walk you through where to click, what you'll see, and how to make sense of the information once you get there. Start by heading to the Monitor tab. This is the hub for what has happened and what is currently happening in your account. Within Monitor, click the Account Statement sub-tab. Think of Account Statement as your historical view. It's designed to show what has already occurred, not what's working right now. Once you're in that view, look for the Trade History section. It may be collapsed by default, so expand it to reveal your data. Trade History lists your filled trades, meaning every executed buy and sell that actually went through. Here, you'll typically see the symbol, the side of the trade, the quantity, the execution prices, the exact timestamps, and any associated fees or commissions. This is the definitive record of completed activity, which makes it a reliable place to verify whether an order filled, how many shares or contracts were executed, and at what prices. If you notice multiple fills for the same order, that simply reflects partial fills that completed in pieces over time. Trade history is ideal for reconciling what truly affected your positions and cash. For example, if you're reviewing how a position was built or closed, this section shows the chain of executions that created those changes. It's also helpful when you're reviewing performance or preparing notes for your own records. Right below or near trade history, you can also expand the order history section. This view shows every order you placed, not just those that filled. That includes working, canceled, expired, or rejected orders. Order history is perfect for understanding your intent and the life cycle of each order. If you placed a limit that never executed or canceled a bracket order, it will show here, so you can see what you tried to do even if the market never met your price. Use trade history when you want to confirm what actually happened in your account. Use order history when you need to understand what you attempted and how those orders progressed. Together, these two sections give you a complete picture of your activity on the platform, making it easier to review decisions, learn from past trades, and keep your records accurate.